Assalamu alaikum, student. My name is Dr. Kamran. Today, the topic of discussion is complete the missing values of cost data. Guys, actually, this topic is especially for the BBA student, and this is the topic from the book of Michael Parkin. Now, we have to complete actually these values. Acha. First of all, just observe that the quantities are given from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 the quantities given है. And in this table, AFC stand for the average fixed cost, and you have the average fixed cost value against the quantity of 4, that is 22.5. And similarly, at the fifth unit of output, the average fixed cost is 18. Now, here next column is ATC, stand for average total cost, and at the first unit of output, average total cost is given 140, and similarly, average variable cost column AVC stand for the average variable, and the average variable is given first unit of output is 45, and the fourth unit of output is 48, and similarly at the fifth unit of output is 52, and so on. When we move further, the marginal cost column is 50 against first unit of output, and third unit of output it is 45, and these column I generated here for the rough work, and that's why I have mentioned here the calculation to solve this question. And here your questions is from this column till this column, यहाँ तक आपका एक क्वेश्चंस गिवन है, and these column we require to solve these missing values. I mean missing values को solve करने के लिए we have to generate these columns. अब now first of all look at this value, and we have to fill out the average fixed column, average fixed cost column. How we can solve this average fixed column? I know that के average fixed cost equal to total fixed cost divided by quantity and output. So here average fixed cost value at fourth unit of output is 22.5, and total fixed cost you need to find out, and quantity here is 4 unit. So we can find out this value. Now multiply this value by 22.5 multiply by 4. You can get TFC at fourth unit of output. What is TFC? I am writing here. The TFC, it is 90. Clear? And what is the scale? 90 rupees and $90. And we are not going to discuss here the unit of this values. This value is 90. And similarly, you can find out for fifth unit of output how. This is for fifth unit of output. AFC equal to again TFC divided by quantity. AFC is given 18, and TFC you need to find out. And what about this one? 5 multiply by 18, to 18 multiply by 5, it is TFC equal to again you have 90. So what you have concluded here, as per the microeconomic theory, in the short run total fixed cost keep constant along all values of output. So now it is proved here this value is 90. So on the basis of these two values, I can write here this value is 90. Similarly, against 2, this value is 90. Again 1, this value is 90. Clear? So we have now the column of total fixed cost and similar. Okay, now it is easy. When you have the column of total fixed cost, so total fixed cost divided by 1 total fixed cost AFC equal to total fixed cost equal to output. Total fixed cost is 90 and output is 1. So your value is 90. So here AFC is 90. Similarly, now divide this value 90 divided by 2, sorry, 90 divided by 2, it is 45, and 90 divided by 3, it is 30. So now you have the values of average fixed cost. First value is 90, second value is 45, third value is 30, 22.5 and 18. Now we have completed this column. Now we need to solve these other three remaining columns. Okay, for these three remaining columns, just a minute. For these three remaining column, first of all, what can we do? This value. Here you have average variable cost for fourth unit and fifth unit. Okay, so how you can find out? How you can find out this one? There is the formula average total cost equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. So now 22.5, it is your AFC, and similarly AVC for fourth unit of output is 48. So now plug these value 22.5 plus 48. So your answer is, now we add these two values, just a minute. 20, hold on. 22.5 plus 48. So 22.5 plus 48. Just a minute. 22 plus 48, 70. Okay. This is 70.5. This is 70.5. And now 70.5. 70.5 divided by 2. 70.5 divided by 2. 70.5 divided by 2, we can write here 30, 35.25. 35.25. Similarly, we can find out, sorry, here 35.25. We can find out this value 18. ATC equal to 18 plus 52. So this value is 18 plus 52. Give me a calculator. 18 plus 52, 18 plus 52, that is 70. So it's 70. So no, now there's it is sorry. We have to add these two values. No? So this is 70.5. Sorry. So because we are going to add these two values, na, AFC plus ABC, so it's becomes 70.5. Similarly, 52 plus 18, it becomes 70. Clear? So now you have to complete remaining these values. Okay. Here we need to generate the total cost column first of all. So this value multiply by output. So you have the total cost because we know the formula of total cost. Total cost equal to ATC multiplied by quantity. So ATC is 140 multiply by 1 at first unit of output. पहली unit of output के ऊपर ATC is equal to 140 multiply by 1. So now this value is 140. So here you can write 140 here. Similarly, this value total fixed cost you have here, and now we can solve this value. Total fixed cost you have clear, and now again when average fixed cost is 90 and marginal cost, so अब remaining values हम इस तरीके से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि लेट्स से हमने क्या किया, ये आपके पास टोटल फिक्स कॉस्ट आ गई. टोटल फिक्स कॉस्ट को अब मैं यहाँ पे दूसरा टोटल एवरेज टोटल कॉस्ट का कॉलम जनरेट कर रहा हूं. हाउ आई एम गोइंग दिस वैल्यू, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं now the 70.5 multiplied by 4, so this value is will be 70.5 multiplied by 4, so you have 288 here, 282, so that is 282. Clear? So this value we have. Similarly क्या किया हमने, this is ATC 70 multiplied by 5, so 70 multiplied by 5, you have 350 here. This is 350. Now how many values are remain here? These two values of total cost. Second unit के against missing है. Now the third unit against this value is missing. अब now you have the marginal cost. Clear? So अब first of all मैं क्या कर रहा हूं कि अब ये total fixed cost मेरे पास given है. Clear? And this one is your marginal cost. इसको मैंने क्या किया कि 45 ये मेरे पास वैल्यू गिवन थी. मैंने इस वैल्यू के अंदर यहाँ पे टोटल कॉस्ट को मैं अगर मार्जिनल कॉस्ट में ऐड करता हूं तो मेरे पास नेक्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट आ जाती है. अभी हम ये टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट का कॉलम जनरेट कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट? एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट को आउटपुट से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं, तो आउटपुट से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा, ये 45 multiplied by 1, this is 45. Here total variable cost क्या किया मैंने, this is your total cost, this is your total fixed cost, इन दोनों को मैंने माइनस कर लिया तो टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट मैंने जनरेट कर लिया. क्या किया, 282 minus 90, so this is your total variable cost. क्या वैल्यू बन रही है मेरे पास, टोटल 282 2 minus 90. This is 192. Similarly, ये 350 minus 90, 350 minus 90, ठीक है, तो it's become 350 minus 90, that is equal to 260. यहाँ तक हो जाता है. अब देखो, ये तो हमारा रफ कॉलम चल रहा है, हम ये वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, क्लियर. एंड टोटल कॉस्ट मैं यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट कर चुका हूँ. ये मुझे पता है कि भाई आपका इन दोनों का टोटल कॉस्ट का डिफरेंस जो आता है, मेरे पास मार्जिनल कॉस्ट आता है, और एक वैल्यू टोटल कॉस्ट में ऐड करता हूं तो मेरे पास नेक्स्ट वैल्यू उसकी आ जाती है मार्जिनल कॉस्ट, यानी टोटल कॉस्ट की वैल्यू आ जाती है. अब यहाँ पे मेरे पास एटीसी गिवन है, एवरेज वेरिएबल है, और ये मार्जिनल कॉस्ट यहाँ पे मुझे फिल करनी है. अब इसमें 45, ये 90, और आपके पास टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट मैं फाइंड आउट करता हूं. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट फर्स्ट वैल्यू मेरे पास मैंने कोई वैल्यू शायद मिस कर दी है. एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट की वैल्यू मैंने देखें, ये थोड़ी सी बाय मिस्टेक मैंने यहाँ गलत लिख दी है. ये 45 एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट नीचे आ रही है, थोड़ा सा इसको मैं सही कर दूं. ये एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट यहाँ इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. ये एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट जो गिवन है ये सेकंड यूनिट के ऊपर है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी. इसको थोड़ा सा करेक्ट कर लेते हैं हम, ठीक है. तो ये अब हमारे पास है, ये एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट यहाँ पे गिवन था. अब हमने करना क्या है, एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ 2 से, तो एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट ये मेरे पास आ रहा है 245 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, दिस इज 90. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लेता हूं तो टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट वी कैन हियर 40 minus 90, so it is 40 minus 90, just a minute, 140 minus 90, here this is your 50. Okay, so this is your total variable cost at first unit. अब now this value you have, तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर लेता हूं, 90 plus 90, क्योंकि आई नो दैट टोटल कॉस्ट इक्वल टू टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट प्लस टोटल फिक्स कॉस्ट, दिस इज फॉर्मूला. तो 90 plus 90 इट इज योर टोटल कॉस्ट, तो 90 plus 90 this is your total cost, so total cost is 90 multiplied by 2, so now your total cost is 180. clear. अब सिमिलरली इस वैल्यू के अंदर 45 ऐड बाय मार्जिनल कॉस्ट, दिस वैल्यू, तो यू कैन हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ total cost next value. So 180 multiplied by 45, so now this value you have, sorry, 180 plus 45, so now the total cost is 225. अब देखो, we have completed these table, calculate यानी एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम. अब इन दोनों को ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा हूं, 225 minus 90, so it is 135, ये मेरे पास आ गया. अब देखो, we can fill all the values easily because we have now these extra 3 columns. क्या किया, we find out extra 3 columns total fixed cost, total cost and total variable cost to complete these values. अब देखो, बहुत सिंपली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. You need this value is given, total average variable cost. Now here you have the average variable cost is 50, so 50 divided by 1, so 50 divided by 1, this is your 50. Clear? This value now is completed. This one, 135, 135 divided by 3. So you have the answer 135 divided by 3. This one is 45. Clear? Now find out this one. Again, you can find out these ATC 45 plus AFC. So 45 plus AFC, 45 plus AFC is 30. So this is your ATC 75. Clear? Similarly, this value AVC, and this value is already given AFC, though it is 90. Sum of these two values, now only these two marginal costs, three marginal costs are missing. You can find out the marginal cost how? Take the difference of total cost 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140. This is 40. Similarly, take the difference of these two values 288, 282 minus 225. 282 minus 225. This value is 57. And similarly, again 350 minus 282. Sorry, 350 minus 282. So you have 68 here. Yes, guys, I think this is clear for you. Everybody has now clear how we can find out the missing information. So again, just I am going to recap how you can solve these missing values. In this table, the missing information was means के मैं circle कर रहा हूँ कि that was the missing information. This one, clear, and these all values were missing, and these values, and similarly these values, and so on. How we can find out? First of all, we find out these values through three operations. We generated three extra columns. What are the three extra columns? We draw a total fixed cost column, total cost column, and total variable cost column. How we find out the total fixed cost column? Total fixed cost column, we have the average fixed cost of first value or so on, these two values. We multiply just this value by 4 to get the total fixed cost for fourth unit, and so on for fifth unit. And we know that the total fixed cost for all outputs is keep constant in the short run as per the microeconomic theory. So we fill out these all 3, 4 to 5 values. हमने इसको fill किया. Similarly, then we completed our total cost with basic formula ke how we can find out the total cost. Total cost we can find out ke average total cost multiplied by the output, you can get the total cost. So we try to solve this total cost column, and after completion of this total cost column, we try to solve this total variable cost column. Again, the total variable cost you can find out the average variable cost multiplied by the total variable cost. So it means that there are three basic formulas, just I am going to write here, which we apply here to solve this problem. These are three basic formulas. Formulas number one, total cost equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So it is now clear. One of two values are given in this equation. You can find out the third one. This is basic formula. And similarly, average total cost, that is equal to total cost divided by output. And if you have the total cost, multiply this by, yani if you have the average total cost multiply quantity, you can get the total cost, and so on, vice versa. Similarly, here ATC equal to AFC plus AVC. This is another basic formula. And the fourth one is AVC equal to TVC divided by quantity. And same technique you can apply here like ATC. So guys, I think this topic is completed, and everybody should be cleared about how you can get the values of the missing information for the cost structure in case of the microeconomic, in case of the marginal cost, average variable cost, average fixed cost. Clear? So thank you so much. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.